good.
Well, we're starting our water shutdown replacement today. So, kind of go through what we're going through, or dealing with. Right here's all the stuff we're replacing. Got this video started way too late. Replacing all that. We still got our bypass we got to finish. We'll get exact lengths cut later. As long as we can get the water shut off, we'll get it turned back on. Right here's what we took out. You can see on these nuts how they're just corroded. Everything's corroded. These valves don't work. This valve here doesn't work. That valve there does work but doesn't shut off. These two little 2-inch valves don't work, so they don't shut off. We were supposed to just replace this PRV with the backflow preventer, but anyway, you can see here all the corrosion. They got a repair there. It's all corroding away, so we call them. Told them we'll replace everything for just parts since we got to shut it off anyway, but that's all corroded through. Walk over here to what we're doing. Still flowing water. We're gonna get this new piece in here and bolt it on. That should shut the water off, and we'll be good there.
That's an old ass flashlight.
Oh, I know. Good job, Cameron.
So that's 3 in there. So
We got this meter there. We got to get that meter, reuse the meter. Then we're gonna replace.
You want me to open that?
That valve doesn't work. This valve does work, it doesn't shut off. So let's get all this replaced with new and get it turned back on. Oh no, in the bottom, Ramon. They gotta go in the bottom.
yeah.
Kyle, you gotta tip it.
Spud out after.
They don't have to be. We just want to bolt in and a nut on the back side a little bit.
Can you get it?
You get that spud in, that spud's gonna... Okay, you're good.
Right there?
It needs to come down this way.
Go down. Oh, you still gotta I gotta go up.
You gotta tilt it.
And kick that way. More?
There you go.
Don't go out. Don't go out. Okay, that's it. Well, you can get one more down there. Ready? Yeah. Okay.
Okay, you got a nut?
On there?
Hold on, get a nut on the back sides.
Yeah.
I don't have that nuts. Come on.
It's driving me nuts.
Here's one. One more.
Wash it?
No.
We will have the gasket. Cameron, there's 2 nuts.
Get the gasket ready.
Now gasket.
Got a bolt on this side.
We got 3 bolts on the bottom. Oh, there goes the other bolt. God damn it. Over this way. Swing that way.
Gasket in good?
Yeah.
There we go, got the gasket in.
Oh, hold on. No, it's just the...
We'll get the wrenches.
Go back,
Should
Kyle.
make wrenches. Hurry
Right
up.
there. The whole thing right there. It's just the weight.
We'll grab the impact wrenches.
Huh?
Wrenches, impact, everything.
Okay, ready? I'll see you there. Oh, the impact already come over here. Okay. Just the, you can
Just keep wiggling them and tightening it. Keep wiggling it and tightening it.
Gavin, the range.
What?
Where's the bar at?
It's right here.
Let me pick it up a little more, Jake.
No, that's what I was gonna do. I was gonna use the bar.
Let me pick it up a little more. The other side?
You gonna turn the water on after?
No.
No.
Huh?
No.
I thought you were gonna turn off the shut off the gate now.
No, without thrust. You gotta have thrust blocks, otherwise it's
Moving and
clear off.
flooding
Here's
out.
how it's connected out here.
Jake, you still need this?
Come on, let's go start
we
shutting the
should-
hydrants off. Shut them off, let them drain
Yeah,
for like
one of those
5
ratchets,
minutes and then
Ramon.
put the caps on.
That one's got a ratchet on it.
That was a big one.
That one of those 1 inch and 1/8 has a ratchet.
Right here. Yeah, this one has rat.
We got flip around.
Yeah, flip it around.
The pump's not keeping
Get
up
the
with
impact on.
Why is
Get the impact on the top two.
Why is the pump not keeping up?
Good.
Yeah, what's going on with the pump?
It's full. Well,
It's not pumping. It's tilted up. Move it around.
Going out,
Plugging up with silt and stuff.
we got. Oh no, they sit there. Yeah, this one. You gotta flip it. Like mine, I have a lever on there.
It's flowing now, guys.
Yeah, I had to pick it up. I cleaned it off.
Yeah, well, I just saw how high the water was up on your leg.
I just keep going. Now the motherfucker don't. Yeah.
Did we ever stop flowing on this side?
No, we never did.
We'll go start shutting it off. We'll start getting that on all together. We might have to cut that opening a little bigger.
Where's the back?
Let's get
At least we can keep the water from coming in though. The only water we have coming in is from the other side. Let's go start putting that other. Another side, we're just gonna have to build it as we come out. We're not gonna
we
be
have
able to
enough?
reach. Oh yeah, that's sweet.
getting pictures of.
Yeah, good video. Here we got it. Putting the last piece in, getting it all tightened up.
we good.
Lift their side up a little bit.
Don't get worried.
Get their side up.
Direct on?
You gonna get it done today, Kyle?
Yeah.
At least one of you are optimistic.
Realist. Alright, go ahead, Nate.
Get going.
That's good stuff. Putting the lid up. Don't put your fingers under there. Use a board or a shovel. Right here on this corner, Ramon.
Stand to the side. Hey! Stand to the side of it, so don't smack the side.
He's good. He's out of the way. Okay, Nate. Go. Hold on. Nate, go to that side. Push that corner over. Ramon, push this corner over. This way. There we go. Well, put your shovel against it. Oh, right there, Tomas. A little bit this way. A little bit my way, Ramon. Hold on. Just pick it up a little bit. We got to get this corner over. A little more, Ramon. 2 more inches. Oh, oh, oh! That's got to go back a little more. Here, let me.
You leave it like that.
Oh, right there. Oh, that side's good, Ramon. Just this corner. Just a little bit.
Okay.
A little more. Whoa, 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 whoa. Right there. Beautiful. Put it down.
What's up with it?